Hello, students. Hope you all are keeping safe at this time of lockdown. Today, we are going to study assignment 3 for English literature, which is A Day with a Great Man. In this lesson, A Day with a Great Man, the narrator is the author itself, and he is narrating his memorable moment of meeting a great scientist, Albert Einstein. It was a Sunday morning when the author heard someone playing violin in his living room. When the author goes to his living room downstairs, his father introduced Albert Einstein to him and told the author that he is the most famous person alive and he is a great physicist. The narrator described Albert Einstein as a person with thick black mustache and having a large head with gray black hair and dark eyes. Now, Professor Albert Einstein asked the narrator to take him to his boat as he loved sailing. After hearing all, the narrator's mother insists to take the guest for sailing in the boat as it would be a lovely experience. After this, Albert Einstein and the author went to the lake, and on the way, author found another common interest between both of them, that is bird watching. As they reached the boat, Einstein asked the name of the boat, and author told the name of the boat is Felix Fleet. And now both started sailing. While all this, the narrator wants to ask a question to Albert Einstein, and he gathered all his courage to ask the simple question to Einstein that why do you want to be a physicist? To which first Einstein laughed, and after a while he told a story. This story was about a compass which Einstein's father gave him when he was 5 years old and was very ill. This compass was a magnetic compass which appeared very amazing to Einstein as a child, and it became his motivation to learn about all the forces of universe which we cannot see. At this moment a large motorboat passed them, stirring up the water, causing the compass fall into water. This incident saddened Einstein. In no time the author jumped into the water as he was a good swimmer. When he found the compass, he came back to the boat and told Einstein that he found his compass. On learning this, Einstein replied, "This is why I became a physicist, and as a physicist studies all the forces of nature like magnetic force and force of gravity which keeps our planet running smoothly." Einstein thanked the author and said to him that to him the author is the most bravest and kindest boy alive. When they returned home, his mother asked why both of you are wet, to which Einstein replied that they both had fun and adventure that both of us cannot forget. After this, the author wondered that what his father and mother would feel and say if they knew that the most famous man alive had a hole in his pocket and couldn't swim, and he thought that he should keep this as a secret and not to tell his parents.